Hello beautiful, this is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 125 ml bottle. This product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay, chat the number up on the screen and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay, so that anybody that wants to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up, because this product is the #1, the champion. It's very, very effective. You can also buy in gallon. People that are promising, big promisers, okay, you can buy in gallon from 500 ml, from 1 liter, for 2.5, 5 liters, 10 liters. Those are for big producer. But if you want to be selling in bottles, it's not available in 125.